Hi, my name is Chris Linville. I have been a systems consultant with Keller Schroeder since 2011. As a senior systems consultant, my focus is primarily on data center virtualization and storage.
Hi, I'm Don Butera. I'm an IS Manager of Infrastructure here at Good Samaritan Hospital. I've served in this role since 1998 when I retired from a 23-year career in the U.S. Navy. For nearly 20 years, we've partnered with Keller Schroeder. We've reached out to them for dozens of projects. They've helped us grow technically many ways. They've helped us with our storage virtualization. They've helped us reconfigure storage when we needed to add to it or buy more. They've helped us with our email many times on that. They've helped us actually set it up and configure it. And then when we needed to run assessments and find flaws, they helped us remediate those. So they're just our go-to vendor. So in 2011, 2012 timeframe, we started working on the Beacon project was to build a whole new patient tower called the Jabot Memorial Tower. And the idea behind that was to modernize the facilities, to bring it state-of-the-art, but also to concentrate our patient population.
One of the big concerns was making the migration from the old data center to the new data center with zero downtime or very little impact to any of the production services. One of my challenges in my design was making sure that the weight of the equipment that we were going to put in there would be supported by the fourth floor. So we did work with the structural engineers and decide to reinforce that floor with concrete to support the hardware that we were going to be putting in there. So coming into this, we knew that we wanted to consolidate with something that was more scalable, more modern, easy to administrate for their team.
We actually started our network in 1997, and that old school server farm grew over the years to where it was multiple servers, physical servers, over 200 of them, right? And then because of this upgrade, moving into the new data center, we combined all of those into virtualization, 300 plus servers, and a reduced footprint, reduced heating, cooling, very efficient.
With the new data center design, we were able to shrink down the footprint of their space. We cut it in less than half. And we were only able to do that using the Cisco and NetApp's converged architecture known as FlexPod. It really gave us the tools that we needed to consolidate their compute, to shrink down the size of their storage, and overall reduce the hardware in their data center by more than 80%.
From my services background, failure was never an option. We knew what we had to do. So we were finding ways to move forward. We had to stay within budget constraints, and we wanted to buy as much technology as we could afford without wasting any. And it was through the help of Keller Schroeder that we achieved every one of those goals and were successful.
And that's why I'm proud to be an employee owner at Keller Schroeder. Our teams work closely together to make positive personal impacts on our clients, and as a result, we earn their trust.
I think one of the reasons we have stayed with Keller Schroeder over the years is that they have the expertise on their engineering team to design something, to present it to us, to help us leave our inputs to it and make those compromises, then move forward with implementation, and then ultimately support. So at the end of that project, I can go back and talk to the design engineers, and we have this continuity of service from start to finish. They're with us from cradle to grave, and we've never failed with them. It's always been a success.